Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through an easy step-by-step method to fix your eTrade account security alerts, so you can regain peace of mind. Quickly welcome to our channel. Managing your online trading account securely is crucial, especially when you receive security alerts from eTrade that may disrupt your experience. Here is a professional and straightforward guide to resolve these alerts step by step. First step is to verify the source of the alert. Always check the email notification carefully to ensure it is genuinely from eTrade. Phishing attempts can look very similar to official messages, so never click on suspicious links or provide personal information. If you are unsure, visit eTrade's official website directly and log in securely to check any important messages or alerts. The second step involves changing your password immediately after confirming the alert's authenticity. Navigate to your account settings and create a strong password. Use mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Strong passwords make it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Next, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if it is not already activated. This adds a crucial second layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Following this, regularly update your security questions and answers. Choose information that only you know and that cannot be easily guessed or found online. This step helps protect your account even if someone tries to reset your password. Another important step is to review all recent account activity. Look for any transactions or changes that you do not recognize. Report suspicious activity to eTrade support immediately so they can assist you in securing your account. After securing your account, review your computer and connected devices for malware or viruses. Malicious software could compromise your personal information, so run a full security scan and update your antivirus software to the latest version. Finally, keep your contact information up to date in eTrade settings. This ensures you receive timely alerts and support communications without delay. By following these easy steps, you will significantly improve your eTrade account security and resolve any alerts efficiently. Now you can trade with confidence and peace of mind.